Hello guys, in this short video I would like to share with you my experience with an annoying message that suddenly displayed on my PC. System settings change. Your hardware settings have changed. Please reboot your computer for these changes to take effect. Just to mention, my PC is based on AMD CPU and at the moment also AMD graphic card. So I opened command line with administrative rights to make sure I can do all the changes needed. This is my long-term habit for any troubleshooting or fixing things. Enter services.msc command that will open a window with all services for your operating system. There search for AMD external events utility. As you can see, the status of that service is running. I clicked on it and stopped it. Afterwards I rebooted the PC and everything was okay. Just please note, this error might be shown also due to some other reasons and my solution might not help you all. Also, before any difficult troubleshooting, I recommend to download the most recent or stable drivers of your hardware directly from vendor's webpage. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.